got some plates from one of my subscribers, Andrea, and she sent me many plates, but I'll just show you one. She sent me Born Pretty, and she sent me Sugar Bubbles plate. But I wanted to show you, she's from Brazil. I wanted to show you one of the plates which I am most happy for. I'm so happy. If she had given me the newest Überschick plate, I would not have been so happy like for this plate. And I'll show it to you. So this is the behind, and just look at it. I am in love with this behind here. It's kind of like vintage, and I know it's not new, but I am really happy for this. We love this kind of things in Denmark. So this is how it looks. It's a flower lace plate. So I hope you can see it for the lights. And it's absolutely beautiful, and I'm so happy. Thank you, Andrea. Thank you so much. You see, this is a butterfly. Really beautiful plate. Wow. So that is what I'll be using today. And Andrea, I've sent you a packet as well, and I hope you'll be happy for what I sent you. But I'll write to you. We talk in the email. So today I'll make a gradient, and I'll use Color Club. This one is called Eiffel Tower, and then I'll use this OPI. It's really gorgeous. Unfortunately, I forgot the name, and it doesn't have the sticker. The sticker came off. So that is what I'll be using. I'll be using some black stamping polish from Born Pretty. And yeah, maybe I'll use some more things, but I'll tell you as I go. So I'm gonna add some shimmer. This is Depend, and it's only available in Europe. forgot to turn on my camera. Sorry. Stamper. So I'm just trying different angles of the plate. So these are the finished nails. I upload my own designs once a week. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe if you love nail art. If you love these nails, please leave me a like. I was so happy for the plate, Andrea. Thank you again so much for the other plates also. And part of the fun for me doing nail art is to invent my own designs. I know they are not my own because it's a stamping plate, but you know, putting the polish colors together and the stamping design and all that is something that I really love, and copying is not my style, and it would take away everything from me because it's part of the fun doing nails. So I know many people feel the same way as me. I just thought I would mention it. So anyway, things are getting back to normal here in Denmark, so I'm really happy about that. And yeah, I'll see you next week. Bye.